So there are some things that we don't do and we should be doing, cleaning your homes. I am proud to tell you that my wife, LaDonna, we celebrated our 1-year wedding anniversary. We went to Jamaica for a couple of, almost 2 weeks. And in fact, if you're on Facebook with me, you've seen pictures we posted. Just a great time. Anyway, she does all of this stuff. So this is not based on what LaDonna does, but this is what cleaners say you should do, and LaDonna is already doing that, so I appreciate that. Ceiling fans, light fixtures. You should be cleaning them. Dust and grime builds up quickly, especially on fan blades. Clean them monthly, prevents allergens, and keeps the air circulating cleanly. Baseboards, clean, dust, pet hair. The 2 German Shepherds I have, JJ and Chloe, those are not LaDonna's, but she does take care of them and cleans up after them, and I appreciate that so much. You wipe down the walls, and she does, and so should you, and reduces buildup. Air vents, HVAC filters. Actually, I do the filters, she does the vents. Dust, debris, vents affect air quality. Inside trash cans, clean the liners. The spills accumulate with smells, so you can wash and disinfect, or vinegar with let them dry thoroughly and then put the bag back in it again. You can also washing machine and dishwasher. Use cleaning solutions. They're available. You can go to Amazon, do a search for washing machine cleaning or dishwasher cleaning solutions, and run a cycle with vinegar or baking soda monthly. That will help as well. Bathroom exhaust fans, clean those. Kitchen cabinets and drawer handles, especially, what I've noticed is the refrigerator doors in a lot of homes when I visit, sometimes they've got some dirt on there. So keep those clean as well. And then, of course, pet areas, beds, bowls, toys. It says in this report, dishes get dirty fast. And so wash or disinfect these monthly to keep your pet and home healthier. I do that, but I did it once in the dishwasher. I put the dog's bowls in the dishwasher, guys, and I don't think LaDonna was so happy, so I don't do that anymore. Actually scrub them by hand and clean them. A reminder that we have a new home buyer checklist, which spells out everything you need to know when starting to search for a home. It's free, no obligation. Get a copy, send me an email with the word checklist in the subject line to Bob at WeSellLouisville.com. All right,